Hey, there all viewers. Welcome back to another Healthy Lifestyle Supports channel video. Are you or anyone in your family living with diabetes? What are the best vitamins for people with diabetes? What are they? And what are the food sources of those vitamins and minerals? Of course, diabetes is a chronic disease affecting millions of people worldwide and impacts their overall well-being, including their heart, kidneys, and nerves. People who live with diabetes should follow diet requirements to maintain their health, but these requirements often don't pay attention to the need for specific vitamins and minerals. Vitamins, minerals, and supplements benefit everyone, but your health is at risk if you are living with diabetes and don't eat a balanced diet, including fish, meat, and vegetables. Depending on the type of treatment regimen you use to control your diabetes, there are some vitamins and minerals that may be beneficial for your condition. However, before adding any vitamins or adding dietary supplements to your daily diet, discuss these changes with your healthcare team and doctor to ensure they are safe alongside any prescribed medication you're on. Well, join us today as we discuss the top 18 vitamins and minerals to help manage your diabetes as the following. Number 1. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, and gamma-lipoic acid, GLA. Alpha-lipoic acid is a versatile and potent antioxidant and may function to help diabetic neuropathy and reduce pain from free radical damage. Also, some studies link alpha-lipoic acid to decreased insulin resistance and thus the control of blood sugar. Here are some of the best food sources of alpha-lipoic acid: broccoli, spinach, red meat, organ meat, such as liver, hearts, kidneys from beef or chicken, Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, peas, brewer's yeast, beets, and carrots. Gamma-lipoic acid is another naturally occurring antioxidant that is present in evening primrose oil, borage oil, and blackcurrant seed oil. Gamma-lipoic acid may improve the function of nerves damaged by diabetic neuropathy. Gamma-lipoic acid is obtained from vegetable oils such as evening primrose, Anethera biennis oil, EPO, blackcurrant seed oil, borage seed oil, and hemp seed oil. Gamma-lipoic acid is also found in varying amounts in edible hemp seeds, oats, barley, and spirulina. Number 2. Biotin. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7. It works in synergy with insulin in the body and independently increases the activity of the enzyme glucokinase. Glucokinase is responsible for the first step of glucose utilization and is, therefore, an essential component of normal bodily functioning. Glucokinase occurs only in the liver, and in sufferers of diabetes, its concentration may be extremely low. Supplements of biotin may have a significant effect on glucose levels for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Foods that are rich in vitamin B7 include non-fat milk, peanuts, yogurt, sweet potatoes, fortified soy milk, almonds, chicken liver, walnuts, seeds, cheese, broccoli, avocados, and eggs. Number 3. Carnitine, L-carnitine, acetyl L-carnitine. Carnitine is required by the body in order to correctly use body fat in the production of energy. It is naturally occurring and derives from hydrophilic amino acids. Diabetics who try carnitine generally respond well, and high levels of fat in the bloodstream, cholesterol and triglycerides, may fall fast. Carnitine helps to break down fatty acids in the body and binds acyl residues. For these reasons, it may be useful to prevent diabetic ketoacidosis. Oh, what foods provide carnitine? Well, animal products like meat, fish, poultry, and milk are the best sources. In general, the redder the meat, the higher its carnitine content. Dairy products contain carnitine primarily in the whey fraction. Number 4. Chromium. Chromium is a crucial nutrient in the body's fight against diabetes. By using either brewer's yeast stocked with chromium or chromium chloride, diabetic patients may be able to improve glucose tolerance, lower their fasting glucose levels, decrease insulin levels, and cut cholesterol and triglyceride levels, whilst increasing HDL cholesterol levels. Several principal double-blind studies have shown that supplemental chromium may raise glucose tolerance in patients with both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Exercise also increases the concentration of tissue chromium. Chromium may have a role to play in pre-diabetics and women suffering from gestational diabetes. Chromium is present in many foods, including meats, grain products, fruits, vegetables, nuts, spices, brewer's yeast, beer, and wine. However, chromium amounts in these foods vary widely depending on local soil and water conditions as well as agricultural and manufacturing processes used to produce them. Number 5. Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10, most often referred to as CoQ10, is a fat-soluble compound that your body makes naturally and stores in the mitochondria of your cells. Coenzyme Q10 is a compound that occurs naturally in the body and may be able to help with carbohydrate metabolism. It has been proven that animals suffering from diabetes are coenzyme Q10 deficient. Clinical trials using coenzyme Q10 suggest that supplementation may significantly lower blood sugar levels. Coenzyme Q10 also oxygenates the blood and therefore may be able to help in some cases of diabetic retinopathy. Primary dietary sources of coenzyme Q10 include oily fish, such as salmon and tuna, organ meats, such as liver, and whole grains. Most individuals obtain sufficient amounts of coenzyme Q10 through a balanced diet, but supplementation may be useful for individuals with particular health conditions. Number 6. Inositol. Inositol is an important part of several key bodily processes, including the health of cell membranes and blood cholesterol levels. Furthermore, inositol may have a role to play in reversing the effects of diabetic neuropathy, nervous damage caused by diabetes. What foods are high in inositol? Inositol is found naturally in cantaloupe, citrus fruit, and many fiber-rich foods, such as beans, brown rice, corn, sesame seeds, and wheat bran. Number 7. Manganese. A deficiency of manganese is common amongst diabetics, and in some circles, it is thought to actually be a part of the cause of diabetes. Manganese could be a key cofactor in the way enzymes within the body handle glucose metabolism. Manganese-rich foods include almonds, nuts, dark leafy green vegetables, spinach, whole grains, legumes, beans, brown rice, and pineapple. Number 8. Magnesium. Magnesium tends to decline in people with diabetes and may fall to dangerously low levels amongst those suffering from severe diabetic retinopathy. Magnesium deficiency has been shown to directly influence the blood sugar control of type 2 diabetics. Magnesium deficiency may interrupt the insulin secretion process and also increase insulin resistance. When using supplemental magnesium, diabetics may be able to lower their insulin dosage. Food sources include spinach, kale, dark green leafy vegetables, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, cabbage, sweet potatoes, oats, barley, whole wheat, quinoa, bananas, avocados, nuts, and sweet potatoes. Number 9. Niacin. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, can be for people with high cholesterol and may be used in combination with circulation treatments. High levels of niacin may actually impair glucose tolerance, and therefore some people with diabetes may be advised not to take it. Speak with your doctor if you are in doubt. Foods rich in vitamin B3 include chicken liver, chicken breast, salmon, avocado, peanuts, anchovies, mushrooms, whole wheat, and brown rice. Number 10. Potassium. Administering insulin to the body, the treatment regime employed by many diabetics, may cause a potassium deficiency. By supplementing a healthy diet with potassium, sufferers of diabetes may improve their sensitivity to insulin and the effectiveness of the hormone. Foods that contain a good amount of potassium include apricots, raisins, prunes, fortified orange juice and fortified milk, chicken breast, salmon, spinach, broccoli, lentils, beans, and bananas. Number 11. Taurine. Taurine is not used in protein synthesis, but is generally found in protein-rich foods. Type 1 diabetics often suffer from low taurine levels, and this can in turn affect the thickness of the blood and increase the risk of heart disease. Supplementary taurine for diabetic patients may be able to correct levels of blood viscosity. The main taurine sources are meat, dairy, and fish, and studies show cooking food doesn't affect a food's taurine content. Top foods high in taurine such as scallops, tuna, tilapia, octopus turkey, chicken, seaweed, and beef. Number 12. Vanadium. Vanadium supplements may lead to a slight increase in sensitivity to insulin, and may therefore allow diabetic patients to decrease the amount of insulin that they need to keep their blood sugar levels under control. Studies on both animals and humans have proved links between vanadium levels and normal blood glucose. The best food sources of vanadium are mushrooms, shellfish, black pepper, parsley, dillweed, beer, wine, grain and grain products, and artificially sweetened drinks. Number 13. Vitamin B6. Neuropathy, the severe damage caused to the nervous system by high blood sugar levels, may be associated with a deficiency of vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. Pyridoxine supplements may be able to improve glucose tolerance, particularly for sufferers of gestational diabetes or impaired glucose tolerance caused by the birth control pill. Vitamin B6 also has a strong role to play in the prevention of diabetes-related complications. Foods that are rich in vitamin B6 include oats, nuts, soybeans, bananas, lentils, bran, chickpea, seeds, chicken liver, milk, cheese, eggs, spinach, sweet potato, carrots, avocado, green peas, salmon, and tuna. Number 14. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, may have a strong role to play when treating diabetic neuropathy. The presence of vitamin B12 is necessary for the correct functioning of nerve cells, and therefore taking it as a supplement may help to reduce nerve damage. In extreme cases, the extra effect of intramuscular B12 may be necessary. Foods rich in vitamin B12 include fortified breakfast cereals, tofu, chicken liver, tuna, and salmon. Number 15. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. Type 1 diabetics generally have low vitamin C levels. By increasing the amount of vitamin C in the bloodstream, the amount of sorbitol may be lowered. Sorbitol is a harmful sugar when it accumulates, and its presence may lead to an increased risk of diabetic complications such as retinopathy, neuropathy, and kidney damage. In the case of type 2 diabetics, vitamin C may play a role in improving glucose tolerance. Foods that are rich in vitamin C include leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, citrus fruits and vegetables, bell peppers, capsicum, kiwi, broccoli, strawberries, and tomatoes. Number 16. Vitamin D has a number of benefits for your health. Produced by the body in response to sun exposure, it is thought to help boost insulin sensitivity, which is vital for blood glucose regulation. The best sources of vitamin D are found in oily fish, such as salmon, sardines, herring and mackerel, red meat, liver, egg yolks, fortified foods, such as some fat spreads and breakfast cereals, and another source of vitamin D is dietary supplements. But in the UK, cow's milk is generally not a good source of vitamin D, because it is not fortified, as it is in some other countries. Number 17. Vitamin E can oxygenate the blood, fight toxins, and improve the activity of insulin within the body. When the body has an insufficient amount of vitamin E, internal structures can be damaged by enhanced free radical damage. Increasing vitamin E in the bloodstream may decrease the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes, and in type 2 diabetics may improve glucose tolerance. Furthermore, the antioxidant nature of vitamin E may reduce the risk of diabetic complications. Foods that are rich in vitamin E include dark leafy green vegetables, nuts and seeds, vegetable oils, peanut butter, wheat germ, and avocados. Number 18. Zinc. The presence of a zinc deficiency in the body has also been suggested to contribute to the development of diabetes in some humans. Zinc itself may be a crucial element in insulin metabolism. Zinc is well known as a powerful guardian against viral infections, and may also act to protect beta cells from destruction. Type 1 diabetics are often zinc deficient, and supplements have been shown to lower blood sugar levels in some type 1 cases. Foods high in zinc content include pumpkin seeds, cheese, whole grains, sesame seeds, almonds, milk, and legumes. Well, that's all now. Do you find this video content interesting? Please tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Don't forget our slogan, health is wealth. Keep this treasure safe.